Blackview BL9000 smartphone that's been generating a lot of buzz lately. But is it worth the hype? Let's break down 5 reasons why you might want to consider the Blackview BL9000 for your next phone upgrade. First up, durability. The BL9000 is a beast. It's IP68 and IP69K rated, which means it's completely dustproof and can survive being submerged in water for up to 1.5 meters. But Blackview doesn't stop there. The BL9000 is also MIL STD 8110H certified, meaning it can withstand shocks, vibrations, and extreme temperatures. So if you're someone who's hard on your phone, or if you work in a demanding environment, the BL9000 can handle it. Let's talk about performance. The BL9000 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8020 processor, which is a solid mid-range chip that can handle most everyday tasks with ease. It's backed by a whopping 12 gigabytes of RAM, which means you can multitask without any slowdowns. And with 512 gigabytes of storage, you'll have plenty of space for all your apps, photos, and videos. Whether you're a gamer, a power user, or someone who just needs a phone that can keep up, the BL9000 has you covered. It is one of the few smartphones on the market with a built-in thermal camera. This camera allows you to see heat signatures in complete darkness, which can be useful for a variety of tasks. For example, you could use it to find your lost pet in the yard at night, or to check for electrical issues in your home. It's a unique feature that you won't find on many other phones. Nobody likes a phone that dies on them throughout the day. The BL9000 packs a massive 8800 mAh battery, which is one of the largest batteries you'll find in a smartphone today. Blackview claims that the BL9000 can get up to 2 days of battery life on a single charge, and with moderate use it could likely last even longer. Plus, the BL9000 supports 120 watts fast charging, so you can quickly juice up your phone when you're running low on power. It runs on Android 13 with Dock OS 4.0 on top. Dock OS is a relatively light customization of Android, so you get a clean and bloatware-free experience. Blackview has also committed to providing regular software updates for the BL9000, so you can be sure you'll always have the latest security patches and features. Why you might want to consider the Blackview BL9000 for your next phone. It's a durable, powerful, and feature-packed mid-range smartphone that offers a lot of value for the price. If you're looking for a phone that can keep up with your active lifestyle, the BL9000 is definitely worth checking out. Of course, every phone has its downsides, so be sure to do your research before making a decision. But if you're in the market for a tough, powerful, and feature-rich mid-range phone, the Blackview BL9000 should be on your shortlist. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons, and let us know in the comments below what you think about the Blackview BL9000.